is what I like. Laying on the beach with sunlight in my eyes, laughing with my friends under the sky, following our hearts so then we take a ride. Wherever, I always try to let my spirit fly, fly away. That's the only way to get that high, high, always. If you're looking for trouble, you better count on it. I will give you a struggle, give you a struggle. If you're looking for trouble, I am the needle who will push your bubble, yeah. 'Cause I don't wanna fight pieces wood, I'm not backing down. So if you're looking for trouble, you better count on it. I will give you a struggle, give you a struggle.
Good morning, beautiful. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Charlene Town. I share healthy habits, mindset shifts, and healthy recipes to help you live a healthy lifestyle that you actually love living. And if you're not new here, thank you so much for coming back. I love you so much. Today's video is a really exciting video. I am sharing with you a very raw and real what I eat in a day. I am also parked in the Costco parking lot because I need to go get a bunch of groceries. I have a very exciting weekend coming. This weekend, my sister is in town. We're celebrating her 40th birthday. We're getting tattoos. We're doing a girls' night out on the river. It's gonna be so much fun. I'm so excited, but I wanna just show you what I'm doing to set myself up for success. And I love seeing what people buy from the grocery store. And I recently became a member at Costco, so we're gonna do a Costco grocery shop. I am shopping for this girls' weekend as well, so I'm buying like extra fruit and extra eggs. It's also almost Easter, so I'm getting white eggs for coloring Easter eggs with my nephew and my daughter, which is gonna be so fun. I'm so excited. So if this is content that you guys like to see, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's jump into today's video. All right, you guys, really quick before we go into Costco, I just wanted to really quickly, as you guys saw earlier this morning, I did my full body workout. I've been doing 3 full body workouts a week. I've been doing yoga and walking and doing the things to try to help with my psoriatic arthritis flares that I've been going in, and just really taking the time to listen to my body. But I did a full body workout this morning, and then I fueled my body afterwards with my leftover Cuban picadillo recipe. This recipe is inside my Empower Your Plate high protein recipe book because for me personally, especially as a woman, eating high protein recipes, especially for breakfast, really helps balance my blood sugar, helps make me feel full throughout the day, and it prevents those spikes and crashes. It also prevents like late night snacking and me feeling hungry after eating a full dinner because it helps balance out my hormones throughout the day. So if you are noticing that you eat throughout the day, but you're not really focusing on high protein, especially for breakfast, and you get to the end of the day and you're feeling really hungry after you eat, or you really want snacks, or you want sugary foods at the end of the night, that is a big sign that you're not eating enough protein for breakfast. Because throughout the day, like if you eat enough protein in the morning for breakfast, you're less hungry throughout the rest of the day, which means that you're not snacking as much, you're not eating as many meals throughout the day or reaching for more sugary foods to get that quick energy. You're sustained with that protein. And the whole point is that your glucose spikes every single time that you eat. And so when you eat higher protein for breakfast, you eat less, you have less glucose spikes throughout the day, yada, yada, yada. It helps with weight loss. It helps with so many things, but really it just helps balance your insulin and your glucose and all of the hormones in your body. So just something to think about. And if you guys need healthy high protein recipes, they're breakfast, lunch, and dinner, you can grab my Empower Your Plate high protein recipe ebook. It's always listed in the description box down below for you. Check that out. And then I'm switching up my supplements today. So let me know if you guys are interested in like the current supplements that I'm taking and like why I'm changing what I'm doing. But I just wanted to like quickly share that I am slowly switching away from my seed symbiotic, which I've been taking for 6 years. And I'm slowly moving into taking Chris Kresser's brand, Adapt Naturals. He's got a probiotic called biome that's got prebiotic, probiotic, polyphenols, and one other thing to help support GLP-1 production in your gut. I also want to try his colostrum because my immune system has been so weak recently and I've been going into so many flares, and I'm just trying to boost my immune system and feel good so that I can live the life that I really want to live. So I just got to a point a couple weeks ago where I was like, I can't keep doing the same thing that I've always done and expect a different result. And so I have been taking certain supplements for years and years and years, and I just want to play around and see if I can get a different result with different things. That's just like a quick little snippet of what's going on. But if you guys want more in depth about supplements and all that kind of jazz, what I'm doing to support my body, let me know in the comments down below. And it's time. We got to run in, do a quick Costco grocery shop. So let's go.
It won't go away. I've got that feeling rushing through my body. I know that it is here to stay. It's like you're my personal Illuminati. I know that some might say that I am just a bad girl, but if you treat me right, I will be the best girl in this whole world. No, I'm not gonna fight. I got my hands on your body, so tell me what you want me to do. I can be good or be naughty, because ain't nobody love you like I do, like I do, like I do, like I do,
Honestly, so good. Just mix those nuts and seeds in there. It's so good. And there's so much more in the blender, so I'll just drink this down, pour more on top. So filling, so delicious. I'm pretty sure I have this recipe up on my website, so I will have that linked in the description box down below for you guys. Check out this recipe. So good. Okay. I've got to go get into some work. I'll check back in with you guys in a little bit. All right, you guys, just doing another quick little check-in. I'm getting ready to go pick up Liv from school. So I park really far away from school. This is like one of my healthy habits that I do all the time, is that I just park really far away from school. And that means that I have to do some extra steps to get her there. Like I park far away when I drop her off. I park far away when I'm going to pick her up. This is how I get my extra steps in the day. I love it. It feels good for me and my body. Just a fun little healthy habit. But I wanted to share something with you guys. Okay, so you guys saw me get these at Costco. I never used to have like a bag of nuts or a bag of anything in my car because there was a very long period of time in my life where I believed like I'm fasting, I need to be fasted, I shouldn't eat snacks. Like I had all these limiting beliefs about my hunger and what it meant, and also that I used to have a negative relationship with food just in general. So if I had such a big bag like that in my car, I never trusted myself with that bag of food because I'm like, oh my God, what if I eat it all? Or what if I eat too much and, you know, too many handfuls of nuts, like whatever. Okay. Since January of 2025, I have been really working on just eating, like learning how to eat, learning how to listen to my hunger, trusting that no food is bad food, trusting that I'm gonna eat until I'm full and then be done eating. And what I have noticed over the last couple months, like, I don't know, I think 2 months ago, I bought a bag of nuts like this and I just have it in the car for those times where you're like, oh my goodness, I'm in between things. I'm not going to have a chance to get to food for a while. I'm starving. Like, instead of that feeling of like, I'm just going to be starving and feel hungry and that's a good thing, like that's a good sign. No, I have my nuts. I take like a small handful, or I honestly just eat one nut at a time because I don't want to spill them all over my car. So I just like grab 1 or 2 at a time and I listen to my body. I typically have like 10, not because I'm counting them, but just because that's all I really want. Liv's been eating them. I've been eating them. They've just been really nice to have in the car. 1, I love cashews. 2, they're nice and salty. So they like satisfy me on so many levels because they're salty and crunchy and all of the things. But just a quick little snack. A lot of the times I will bring a smoothie with me, but as you guys saw earlier, I had my smoothie for lunch. and I'm feeling really good. I might have a couple of these on my way in. It's like 2 o'clock. It's been a couple hours since I've had my smoothie, and then I'm gonna go teach a yoga class to either teens or some kids, whoever decides to show up for our yoga class today. I'm so excited. And yeah, so I'm gonna go pick up my girl and then go teach some yoga, and then I will be back for dinner. I'm just gonna show you guys dinner. We're making chicken. I don't know if we're gonna do chicken on sandwiches or chicken on salad. I'll show you guys what we make, but I de-thawed some chicken breasts this morning, and I'll show you guys what I put together. But yeah, if this is content that you guys like to see, don't forget to like and subscribe because it really supports my channel. I'm really trying to grow my channel this year, so it would mean the world to me if you could just interact with the video in some way, like, comment, share the video. Yeah, trying to push it out there. It just shows YouTube that this is a good video and that this is content that you guys like to see. It also helps me know what to film because I love seeing what I eat in a day's and grocery shopping videos, so that will let me know if you guys like this too. So thank you for watching all the way to the end. I love you guys so much. I will share my dinner with you this evening. I love you so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.